In this bulletin, 200 million printers made and sold. More remanufacturers toe the line with printer manufacturers. And online retailers set to start delivering supplies on Sundays.
From across the planet, Recycling Times keeps you in touch with the latest computer printing news.
Hello, I'm David Gibbons and here is the news. It has taken them almost 30 years, but printer manufacturing giant HP has just rolled out its 200 millionth laser printer. The first laserjet launched by HP in 1984 started a printing revolution that changed the way business interacted with content. Then, in 1991, came the 3SI, which was the industry's first network printer. And the first colour laser printer arrived in 1994. The first printer to allow users to print, fax, copy as well as scan came along in 1998. HP is running a competition over the next 4 weeks and will give winners in the USA, Russia, France, Germany, the UK and China a 200 millionth limited edition HP LaserJet multi-function printer. Aftermarket suppliers of printer cartridges are going out of their way to comply with requirements laid down by printer manufacturers. UTech, the global distributor of imaging products for the China-based Print-Rite, has joined others this week in saying their printer cartridge chips comply with HP's white paper on the issue. Last month, HP told remanufacturers gathered from across the globe in Zhuhai, China, they must stop confusing consumers. UTech claims the smart chips on their reman cartridges display the non-HP supply installed message as requested by HP.
Okay, this week Print-Rite and UTech has announced they have fully complied with HP's white paper. They remanufactured cartridge and they patented SmartTech compatible cartridge, all fully complied with HP's white paper. And indeed, they also confirmed they have fully complied with HP's white paper prior to HP's announcement.
And Los Angeles-based Green Project have also come out this week saying their remanufactured cartridges made in China comply with Canon's general exclusion order and can be sold in the USA. Canon was granted a GO in June, stopping any printer cartridges with infringing gears being imported into the country. According to Green Project, their GP gear has been inspected and approved by US Customs and Border Protection authorities. They say their new products are patent pending in the US as well as other countries and will not infringe Canon's 803 and 405 patents. The world's second largest online retailer, Amazon.com, says it will start delivering supplies on Sunday in the United States. Sunday has traditionally been a no-work day and the plan has got many arguing over its merits. The Washington Post commented it could start a wave of Sunday deliveries by other companies, including stationery vendors. Bloggers have also added their arguments, mostly saying that it will suit home buyers, with most office staff still preferring to buy their print consumables and other stationery during the week. Many countries like China already deliver packages 7 days a week. And in brief, Print-Rite has been awarded as a Hong Kong Guangdong cleaner production partner. The news was shared as the company demonstrated it is able to reduce 30% of its power consumption on its moulding equipment, saving water, oil and reducing carbon emissions by 18%. Canon says it's aiming at $27.6 million of revenue from its printer business in India. They say the strong demand for inkjet printers will deliver this result despite, as we reported last week, the overall printer market is almost flat there. According to research group IDC, the number of printers being sold in Western Europe grew almost 4% during the third quarter. The UK led the growth with a 12.1% increase compared with the same time last year. Industry standards relating to printing and consumables can often be consuming, confusing and expensive. But Delacamp's Colin Watt says they are the only way you know if your product is fit for the purpose. And you can read what Colin Watt says in this month's Recycling Times magazine with HP's Elizabeth Porter and Matthew Barclay on the front cover. Also, the magazine contains for the first time anywhere a directory listing of standards relevant to the printing consumables industry, with a foreword by HP's Paul Duran. And an amusing comment from award-winning cartoonist Berto. Well, those were the biggest print consumable news stories this week. Thanks for watching. I'm David Gibbons.